A designer isn't someone who knows how to design, but someone who builds an identity. I will show you how to professionally present your client projects like this in Affinity. Let's get started on how to create a professional brand looking like this. The first thing to start with is to explain to you this concept. So this is the logo concept of the brand, female. It's a fake brand I actually created myself. Let's assume a client needs a logo like this, and then I'm done with the logo. So all I need to do is to submit, and then I save it in a SVG file or PDF format, and then I send it to the client. I'm done. This is very unprofessional to do. The real fact here is to make your brand stand out. You are working on a project for a brand, a new brand, or whether an existing brand, you need to be professional with your work. The professional way to present this logo to your client is to slap the logo on mockups. The client is going to realize that I'm not just having a logo, but I'm also seeing a version of how the logo is going to look like in real life. This is where the magic happens. This is an example of how to present your project to your client in a professional way. I used artboards to create this kind of presentation. This is a fake brand, as I stated earlier on. It's a deodorant brand I was just trying to create. So you can see I have this deodorant mockup here. So I had to design the look of the deodorant. I have the logo icon here. I picked it from the F. So the F represents the brand icon. When you are working on a brand identity, you need the name of the brand itself, and then you also need a brand icon. On this slide, I decided to represent that idea on it. You can see the product here. This is the roll-on. This is how it looks like when it's closed, and this is how it looks like when it's open. On this slide too, you can see we have the body spray, and I decided to use the mango as maybe a flavor or something, just to make it look very attractive. So this one introduces the background pattern, so we can use this background pattern for flyer designs or even a backdrop. This slide happens to be the brand colors. You can see the black color, you can see this pink color, and then you can see a shade of this pink color here. I also used two fonts for the whole idea. I used Montserrat, I used Embrima. So these are the fonts I used to create the whole idea. So this one happens to be the font I used for the logo, and then this one happens to be the font I use for the write-ups, which you can see throughout the design. You can see the logo concept. So we have this logo on the pink, we have it on the white, we have it on the shade of the pink, you can also have it on the black, and then the icons to the same procedure. It's very important to present your works in a professional way. Don't just do them and then send it to them, but rather send them a presentation in a PDF format for them to know that the identity is unique, and also it increases the level of trust your clients have with you because you're a professional, and then you also know what you are doing. This is what I call a return factor. The moment they win your trust, they are going to come for more of your service. This is an example of a client project I did. This is not a fake project. So you can see that the brand name is NKZ Executive Lounge. It's a drinking pub. So I had to design only a logo, but because I want to present the brand to the client, I decided to take it the extra mile. I decided to add mockups to it. So after I designed the logo, I decided to slap them on the mockup. So that is what you are seeing on your screen. I almost forgot one thing. This is the Photoshop mockup file I used for the deodorant. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can download it and try your hands on for your own projects. So the mockup gives you the ability to change the design here. So you can see right here, projects, you double click, it's a smart object, and then it brings you to this design. So you have to change the design here. When you are done, you press Ctrl S and then you move back to the design. You can also change the color of the cap. You can change it to any color you want. You can also turn it off like this. This is the best and professional way to go about your brand identity, and of course the best client presentation method you need. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.